everybody, and welcome. I'm Clarissa.
I'm Adam.
Together, we are Dino Scale Cards. Today, we have our Evolving Skies. Our first case came in. So, we want to make sure we open one of these booster boxes for you guys.
Alright.
We are super excited for this set.
Shall we get started?
Yeah, let's dig right in. I am so pumped for this set. So many alternative arts, which I love.
Oh, yeah. And bringing back Rayquaza finally.
And Dragon type.
Yeah. But I mean, of course, you got Eevee stuff too, so.
Now, which alt art, if you could get one alt art, which one would it be?
It's probably going to be one of the Rayquazas.
Yeah. Alright, let's get cracking.
Although I do love Espeon. But
let's get cracking.
Rayquaza's probably #1.
We were not able to get any of the pre-release boxes this time, so this is our first Evolving Skies. Here's our first code. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got Fighting Energy.
Whoa.
Sorry. Moon and Sun Badge. Toy Catcher. Hippowdon.
Hippowdon.
Lotad. Teddiursa. Cryogonal. Nickit. Dwebble. Reverse Scrafty. And an Eldegoss Hollow is our first hollow.
Holofoil. Code.
Now, I don't think the codes are valid until Friday, but you can save them and you'll be ready to go.
We got Fire. We got Spirit Mask. Palpitoad. Golduck. Wobbuffet. Luvedisc. Dwebble. Hippopotas. Zora. Gordy. Reverse. And Flapple.
I like that Flapple. Flapple's one of my favorites.
Flapple's a good one.
These packs have been opening pretty nicely so far. Sometimes they can be hit or miss. Here's our code. There we go. Okay. We got a Fire Energy, Dream Ball, Stormy Mountain, Boldore, Carvana, Flabébé, Dwebble, Mareep, Drowsy, Reverse Dwebble, and Seismitoad.
Bam. Code. Bam. To the back. Psychic. Scroll of a very long name. Floetta. Boldore. Hoppip. Hitmonchan. Fletchling. Tentacool. Pikachu. Reverse Drowsy. And a Talonflame.
Alright, let's keep this moving. That was beautiful tear. It's been a while since we've been able to open any Pokemon. It's exciting.
Yeah.
Alright, Psychic. Digging Gloves. Palpitoad. Crustle. Pikachu. Seedot. Lillipup. Bagon. Litleo. Reverse Welios. And a Milotic.
Alright, so I'm guessing looks like just the bottom packs are just gonna be bam, 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 bam.
Oh yeah, when we get toward the end, it's gonna be all hits.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Perfect focus. Bam. Alright. Metal. SQ. Skiploom, Herdier, Zora, Tentacool, Hoppip, Dino, Mary, Reverse Sharpedo, and a lovely Lilligant.
Alright, let's keep it going. That was a good open too. Yeah, these are very nice packs. Here we go.
We finally have something?
Yeah, I feel like we're due for at least a regular holo. I mean, come on. Steel. Shopping Center. Herdier. Pyroar. Pumpkaboo. Bagon. Love Disc. Seedot. Slack Off. Reverse Lantern. And a Lycanroc. V. So we did get a hit. It's our first V card.
Bam. Cool card. And a water. And a Hippowdon. And a Golduck. And a Herdier. And a Chinchou. And a Petalil. And a Dino. And a Teddiursa. And a Feebas. And a Reverse Pyroar. And a Hollow Dialga.
Nice.
Looking pretty stylish.
Okay. Alright, Water Energy. Fletchlinger. Lantern. Treasure Energy. Feebas. Hoppit. Hitmonchan. Fletching. Tentacool. Roma Lady, and Stoutland.
Stoutland. Darkness. Gordy. Braviary. Nuzleaf. Hitmonchan. Lotad. Sableye. Teddiursa. Mareep. Slakoth. And...
Ooh!
Oh!
Alrighty.
Ziana's Resolve. A rainbow.
That's worth the sleeve.
I'd say so. Okay. Pretty sure that's probably, I think, the best trainer you can get in the set.
Alright, awesome.
Full art collectability wise.
That is our first major hit.
Yeah. Well, unless it's a really lucky box, it's gonna... I mean, we have gotten boxes with 2 major hits before. We've gotten 2 secrets before.
That's true. You never know. Come on, camera. There we go. Darkness Energy. Lucky Ice Pop. Tentacruel. Palpitoad. Pikachu. Applin. Oh, that is a cute card. I like that. Lillipup. Emolga. Another really cute card. Tentacool. Zinna's
there's
Resolve.
the regular.
And a Feeble. Okay.
The regular reverse hollow of that. Yeah, I think the collectability of her is going to be really good. She was only ever seen in the Dragon, at that Dragon's Majesty, that one. That other specialty set that no one ever talks about. So. Grass Energy, Crystal, Moon and Sun Badge, Toy Catcher, Emolga, Slakoth, hanging in there, Glossifleur, Luvedisc, Fletchling, Cutie Fly Reverse, and Drampa.
It's an interesting
like
artwork. It's kind of impressionistic. I like it.
It's like watercolor? I don't even know. It looks watercolor.
Yeah, or maybe pastels.
Yeah.
Oil pastels. I should probably turn my phone off. Alright, Grass Energy. Vigoroth. Lombre. Rapid Strike Scroll of the Flying Dragon. That is wordy. Fletchling. Chinchou. Patil. Dino. Teddiursa. Reverse Treasure Energy. And a Hollow Raichu.
Got our code. Alright, we got Hippopotas. Time Pole. Leo. Ah, there's that Eevee.
Oh, I want to save that one.
Oh,
I know
probably
it's-
we'll get more. But
I know it's just a common,
we'll
but
probably get more. Cutie Fly. Okay, just take that one. Oh, I didn't do the trick. Okay, oh well. Smeargle. Lightning. Fletchender. Lantern. Spirit Mask. To do the trick. Good thing.
I think I saw something shiny. Alright, there's our code. Ooh, what is... Oh. That is not a good white spot. Look at that.
No.
Yikes, that's troublesome. I think that's 4. Electric. Snowleaf Badge. Hippowdon. Braviary. Woobat. Typole. Psyduck. Eevee.
See? So do we get another one.
Cutie Fly. Bagon. And, ooh,
Oh.
another great trainer.
Okay.
Python. Alright, he's looking
Did get a double up on trainers.
good. Okay, good. This
Yeah.
looks clean.
Did double up on the trainers. It's not too common to get 2 full art trainers like that. I mean, I think we're still due for some other stuff, just like some V's and VMAXs and shenanigans and stuff. Because we haven't been getting any.
We got one Lycanroc V, which is not very exciting.
Yeah. Alright, then we got a Fighting Energy. We got a Treasure Energy. We got some Digging Gloves. We got a Palpitoad. We got Applin. We got Sableye. We got Nickit. We got Berkmite. And a Carvana. And a Reverse Flaffy. And a Raichu Hollow.
Are you keeping that Flaffy?
Well, no, I know that Flaffy's a good card for an uncommon.
Oh, okay.
It's amongst the list for competitive cards due to its ability.
What's its ability?
It's you can attach lightning energies to your bench Pokemon from the discard pile.
Oh, that is pretty good. There we go. Grass Energy. Copycat. Zuelios. Skiploom. Gossifleur. Fletchling. Scraggy. Hippopotas. Timeful. Reverse Woobat, and a Flapple.
Those electric Pokemon, that's a notorious ability for electric Pokemon, and they always tend to be competitive, to my knowledge. They always tend to see some sort of play, provided there is somewhat of a relevant electric deck. Code card. Fire Energy, Lombre, Full Face Guard, Squatting Hypno, Pumpkaboo, Carvana, Glassfleur, Fetchling, Scraggy, Reverse Boldor, and a Pinsir.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy. Braviary. Switching Cups. Tentacruel. Emolga. Oh, that felt kind of rough on the edge. Emolga. Tentacool. Pumpkaboo. Bagon. Love Disc. Reverse Toy Catcher. Ooh, a Howl Articuno. That is a pretty card.
Larian Articuno.
Yes.
Codes are cooperating pretty well today. Fighting Energy, Rescue Catcher, Scrafty, Ursaring, Bagon, Woobat, Time Pull, Psyduck, Eevee, Crystal Cave, and a Marshadow. Holla for ya, la la la.
Alright, we are due for another V soon. Let's get that going.
VMAX. I haven't had any VMAX.
Oh yeah. Alright, we got Electric Energy, Nuzleaf, Golduck, let's focus, there we go, Rubber Gloves, Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Pumpkaboo, Carvana, Reverse Hitmonchan, and a Tropius.
Oh, I think I see a thing.
Oh yeah, I definitely saw something shiny.
Alright, so we got a Fire Energy. And we got Switching Cups, Elemental Badge, Bergmite, Carvanana, Emolga, Slakoth, Gossifleur, Reverse Regielect, and
Ooh, there we go.
Max.
Alright, sweet.
Regieleki.
About time we got something. Got Fighting Energy, Treasure Energy, Ribbon Badge, Flaffy, we'll put that with our other Flaffy, Eevee with the Rayquaza in the background there, Cutie Fly, let's stay in focus, camera, there we go, Pikachu, Applin, Lillipup, Reverse Dialga, and a Seismitoad.
Code. Alright, Psychic, Tentacruel, Boulder, Romalady, Cryogonal, Petilil, Bergmite, Drowsy, Scraggy, a Reverse Dino, and a Smeargle.
Alright, awesome. We are more than halfway through.
This is already a pretty satisfying box.
Yeah. Fire, Snowleaf Badge, Gordy, Zwellius, Nickit, Bergamite, Roggenrola, Flabébé, whoopsies, Swablu, Reverse Rescue Carrier, and a Stoutland.
Code card. energy. Copycat.
That's just a cute card in and of itself.
Copycat. Rescue. Scroll Flying Dragon. Time Pole. Cutie Fly. Applin. Sableye. Picket. Fletchinger. And a Hollow Eldegoss.
Alright. I feel like we're kind of getting shafted on the evolutions. Let's get some more of those.
There's a lot more than evolutions.
Well, I know, but... Code. Camera, you've been doing so good all day. There you go. Don't quit on us now. Psychic. Moon and Sun Badge. Pyroar. Vigoroth. Scraggy. Bagon. Woobat. Time Pull. Psyduck. Reverse Braviary, and a Wishy-Washy.
Wishy-Washy. Water Energy, Flashy, Braviary, Switching Cups, Raggenrola, Wobbuffet, Hoppip, Swablu,
I like that Swablu.
Zora, Reverse Cragganol, and a Tropius.
Alright, how many got left? 1, 2, I have 4 left. Alright. Oh, I think I might have seen something shiny.
I imagine there's gotta be at least another B or 2 and VMAX.
Water Energy. Floate, however you say it. Boldore. Aroma Lady. Craigogonal. Zora. Patil. Bergamite. Drowsy. Reverse Hoppit, and a Garbodor VMAX. Not the VMAX I would have hoped for.
I don't know.
But he's cool. We'll take it.
Alright, Darkness, Ribbon Badge, Zuilis, Xeno's Resolve, Psyduck, Swablu, Seedot, Woobat, Eevee, Wobbuffet, Reverse, and Regidrago. Halalo. Halalo, lo, lo.
Oh, I saw something else shiny. Oopsies. Code. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front.
I could guess it's probably a VMAX, maybe?
Or it could be a V. We have not gotten, like, many regular
I thought I
Vs.
saw texture, but go ahead.
Okay. Darkness. Lantern. Urasang. Crustle. Pikachu. Pumpkaboo. Rufflet. Lotad. Emolga. Reverse Scraggy, and a Gollark.
Grass, Vigoroth, Treasure Energy, Ribbon Badge, Teddiursa, Cryogonal, Nicket, Webble, Rufflet, Reverse Switching Cups, and a Thievul.
Alright, getting down to the wire.
If I had to take a guess, we might get one more V.
Alright, Grass Energy, Golduck, Herdier, Single Strike Scroll of the Fanged Dragon, Rufflet, Roggenrola, Wobbuffet, Hoppet, Swablu, Reverse Melodic, and Lilligant.
Alright, we got a Lightning Energy. Got a Boost Shake. Rabombi. Abalug. Psyduck. Rufflet. Drowsy. Flabebe. Raggenrola. A Reverse Jump Pluff. And a Trevenant.
Alright, there's our other V. Last
V.
pack magic. Can we get anything else? Alright, what do we got here? It's a code. Lightning, Skip Bloom, Fletchinder, there we go, Shopping Center, Scraggy, Feebas, Hitmonchan, Slack Off, Patil, whoopsies, Reverse Teddy Ursa, and an Appleton. Alright, true last pack magic.
Fighting Energy, Aroma Lady, Moon and Sun, Pyroar, Seedot, Lillipup, Bagon, Lilio, Lotad, Inkjet Reverse, and a Rare.
Alright, that is our Evolving Skies box. We did okay. I'm honestly a little disappointed. I was really holding out for alternative art really badly.
We
want
have
one.
very bad luck on alternative arts. We've gotten like none.
I know. So I really wanted any of the alt arts, so I'm a little disappointed, but we still got pretty good pulls overall.
Yeah, I think so. I think a double secret rare box is always good.
Yeah.
That's probably like the best trainer in the set to pull.
She's looking pretty awesome.
I actually, for once, like the rainbow rare with her like red eyes.
It is pretty cool.
She's one of the trainers I think looks pretty good in rainbow rare, if you ask me. I know a lot of people prefer just the general full arts. So.
Alright,
Cool.
well that's what we got for you today. These will be available for purchase on Friday, on the official release date. So make sure to check out the website, dinoscalecards.com.
It's Friday the 27th.
Yes, the 27th. That's tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah.
Yep.
So, hope you guys are all pumped. This is going to be really exciting. I hope you guys get great pulls.
Yeah, and thanks for joining us today. Also, yeah, we have our website, dinoscalecards.com, and you can also follow on Instagram, Facebook,
All that good stuff.
All that good stuff. Sign up for a newsletter on our website, too. Yeah,
Thanks so much, guys.
have
Bye.
a good one.